And I mean, now that we're talking about immigrants paying taxes, how do immigrants pay taxes? A lot of individuals believe they don't because they don't have a social security number or legal status here. But there is such thing as an ITIN. Manny, can you share a little bit about what an ITIN is?
So an ITIN is a tax contributor number that allows anyone that have made any income in the United States to report it to the IRS. And typically what happens is when, corporations have ITIN numbers, people can get their own ITIN numbers. If you have your own work, like a sole proprietor, you will have an ITIN number. And you're not required to have a legal status in the country because the law says that any income earned, it has to be reported to the IRS. So all you have to do is just request it from the IRS, and then if you ever become legalized, then your social security will be matched to that IT number to ensure that you get all the credits for all the tax years that you have paid. And that's why we always tell people, like, pay your taxes, because if you become legal, you will get those quarter credited to you based on your tax ID. But now it's a little bit cautious of telling people to pay their taxes if the IRS and the government intends to go after them.
Yeah, and then just to consider it, for a lot of immigration benefits, you have to show that you're a person of good moral character. And a lot of that determination comes from whether you pay taxes or not, right? And the IRS has traditionally always incentivized undocumented immigrants, I mean, everybody to file income taxes. So this agreement is one particularly problematic, right? Because this is an agency that, has always incentivized immigrants to file taxes, but also, I mean, it violates just numerous security laws, right? And disclosure laws. They're not legally allowed as an agency to disclose taxpayer information. So how they're going to go around this requirement is questionable. So it's likely that this probably won't work, and perhaps it's just a way to scare the immigrant community, right, into just going home. But I don't see how legally this type of agreement will work.